First to know, Ashley Williams, super guest host from Fain Signature Group. How are you?
I'm great. How are you guys?
From the great state of Nebraska. How is your hometown? Orchard, Nebraska?
It's good. Yeah. I went back last weekend for my best friend's bridal shower.
Okay.
To celebrate
How are they
her.
doing back there?
Great. It was humid, of course, as always, but it was good.
Happens in Nebraska
Stays in Nebraska. Yes, it does.
Okay. Awesome. Well, we're here to talk about top events and top news from signalsaz.com, amongst other things.
Yeah.
And the first thing we're talking about is the 100 Men and Women Who Care event taking place Wednesday, August 21st from 6 to 9 at the Prescott Resort. Have you been to one of these events yet?
I haven't yet.
Okay. So for those that don't know, bring $100 and three nonprofits present what they do, why they do it, and the impact they make on community. And then the room votes on who they think the most impactful presentation was. Mm-hmm. And then that money goes to that nonprofit, all of it, 100% of the cash. What I like about these events is that you see very quickly where your dollars go, and it's quick. It's not drawn out. This particular event is special, which takes place at the Prescott Resort and Conference Center again, August 21st, is that it's the 100 Men and 100 Women co-event that they do once a year. And so imagine 200 plus people bringing in $100, which is how much?
That's a lot.
20,000. 20,000 plus that will go to the nonprofits. And all nonprofits usually walk away with a couple bucks.
Yeah.
So it's a really impactful event. We highly suggest if you haven't gone, check out 100menwhocareyc.com/events and join them.
That's an awesome event. Incredible causes.
All you need is that $100 bill to walk in and you're good to go.
Love it. So this Thursday, tomorrow, we have our pre-show party for Lainey Wilson coming into town. So if you're planning on going to the concert, or even if you're not, come hang out with us here at the Turf Park at 2980 North Park Ave, right behind Signals here. We're going to have, and Colt Grill. Yeah, absolutely. So we're going to have food trucks. We're going to have, all the neighboring restaurants around here as well. There's going to be a bar, and then we're going to have some music. So get jazzed up before Lainey, and then you can walk to Lainey and park here so you don't have to stress about parking. And we're giving away some free Lainey Wilson tickets. So if you don't have tickets, if you're one of those people that didn't get them because they're sold out.
I was too lazy to get tickets. Maybe I need to
come to the raffle.
Okay.
Yeah. So just be here August 22nd. Again, that's tomorrow from 4 p.m. to 7 p.m.
Turf Park, right behind Colt Grill.
And then the concert itself. So that's at the Findlay Toyota Center. Like I said, you could just walk there. Doors open at 6 o'clock. The concert itself begins at 7. Lainey does have an opener, and it should be a great night. Really exciting things coming to town. So that's great.
Awesome. Exciting. Great job on that. Shooting over to Prescott, Deep Well Ranch Dinner with Jenna James, Friday, August 23rd from 5:30 to 8 p.m. at the Phippen Museum in Prescott. Join them for the fascinating evening featuring a brief history and life of Harold and Mitzi James and a history of Deep Well Ranch. For reservations, call 928-778-1385. What else we got?
We have Cheaper by the Dozen, Friday through Sunday, August 31st, at the Prescott Valley Performing Arts Center.
Awesome.
That'll be a really good one.
The PV Art Center is right attached to the Findlay Toyota Center.
Correct. Yep.
Sweet. And you got the next one on gardening?
And you can get your tickets for Cheaper by the Dozen at pvperformingarts.com.
Awesome.
Perfect. So gardening, Watters Garden Center in Prescott is going to have a gardening class for newcomers, for newbies. So if you don't know a lot about gardening, go learn Gardening 101. You can find the info for that at wattersgardencenter.com.
So the next one is for my generation, for those old people. America, the band, stops at the Findlay Toyota Center. And I'm looking at her because she has no idea who these people are because you're too young. Findlay Toyota Center, a 2024 tour, Sunday, August 25th, 7 p.m., Findlay Toyota Center, Prescott Valley. America. Do you know any songs by the band America?
I do know A Horse with No Name.
Horse with No
I do
Name.
know that one.
Okay,
Yeah.
all right.
Yeah.
I'm just researching top Billboard songs. Let's see here if I can find one. I should have brought it. Of course, we've got this silly ad. Horse with No Name, Sandman, I Need You. Everybody I Meet is from California. Ventura Highway. So if you can hear this. So these guys are coming to the Findlay Toyota Center August 25th. Get your tickets.
Perfect.
So you know some of the songs.
Yeah.
You're not bad.
Yeah.
Okay,
We're getting better.
We'll let you fly. You got the next one on the Signature Series.
Yes. The next Signature Series is coming up here just around the corner, September 5th, 11 a.m. at Park Collective here in Prescott Valley. The focus is going to be on economic development. And we have former Governor Doug Ducey speaking, as well as Sherry Heine, Brad Fain. This should be a really great event. He's going to go over his time with Cold Stone Creamery, as well as his time as governor, and what he's currently working on, which is called Citizens for Free Enterprise.
Nice, and that's communitysignatureseries.com.
Correct. It's filling up quick. We already have over 150 people registered, and we're trying to get to around 200, but it's filling up fast. So go reserve your spot now before it gets taken.
And that's the Park Collective, Prescott Valley.
Of course.
September 5th, 11. That's going to be a big event. Again,
It
Doug
is.
Ducey and others in the region on economic development. Switching from business to dancing. Dancing for the Stars. The Boys and Girls Club of Central Arizona, proud to announce Season 8 of Dancing for the Stars. Dancing Through the Ages is the theme. Be sure to vote for your favorite dancing duo. Each vote goes towards supporting the kids at Boys and Girls Club. For tickets, dancingforthestars.net. And I know somebody from Prescott Valley who's going to be dancing. It's our own
Yes.
Kimberly Lopez. So vote
Absolutely.
Kimberly. That's a hint.
Yes.
Right, raise some dough.
So fun.
So go to dancingforthestars.net. Vote for your favorite dancer. We're voting for Kimberly Lopez, Prescott Valley. That's all I'm going to say. Deals of the week. Smart Girls Fashion, $5 off of 25 or 10 off 50. Go to signalsaz.com and click on First to Know events and deals.
That's a good timing because Smart Girls Fashion's Super Saturday sale is this Saturday, the 24th. So when they do that, they have 75% off.
Stored that.
I know. They will, because their clothes are $3 or 75% off on their racks outside. So that plus your $5 off or $10 off, great timing for that coupon.
So we got a cool new podcast coming to the Cast 11 Prescott Region Podcast Network. Basically, the Whiskey Row history is coming. Awesome. We did a little podcast on the unveiling of the Doc Holliday plaque, and it kind of blew up online. And Bradley Courtney is the Whiskey Row historian, is going to be bringing a podcast to cast11.com on all things Western history in Prescott and Whiskey Row. So that's
awesome.
Kind of exciting.
There's so much there. There's so much to talk about. So much history on Whiskey Row.
History, right?
Yes.
What else is going on? Have you streamed any movies? With the group there at home.
I just finished Bridgerton on Netflix.
How was it?
So good.
You liked it?
So good. Yep.
Yeah, I saw that. That was pretty good. It was better than The Union. I streamed the Mark Wahlberg movie. Wouldn't recommend it. If I had to choose between Bridgerton, which is a show, and a standalone movie, I'd go with Bridgerton.
Yes.
He's got a lot of drama and all that other fun stuff in between.
Yeah.
Anything else you've streamed lately that you've seen?
No, I need to get out and see It Ends With Us, though. Everybody is raving about It Ends With Us. It's in Harkins right now, right here across the street from Signals. But I haven't made it out to see it yet.
I noticed there's a new Aliens movie out.
I haven't seen it.
If you're into that stuff.
No, not
I always like the first Aliens and then the Aliens prequel, which is Prometheus, which is very good. Anywho, that's all I got. Got anything else?
Nope. Come out. There's lots going on next week. And come see Lainey.
That's right.
So
You
fun.
want to plug that one more time, the pre-show?
Yes. So country concert pre-show for Lainey Wilson. Again, that is here at the Turf Park behind Colt Grill in Prescott Valley, 4 p.m. to 7 p.m., Thursday the 22nd.
That's all we got. First to know. Have a great day.
Thank you.